Hi everyone, I'm Kimberly, and I would like to take you on a tour of my painting, Canal Grande Venezia. This is the main waterway on a typical beautiful day, where Venice seems almost suspended between sky and water. It shows the graceful S-curve of the Grand Canal as it sweeps through the city, dividing it into two main sections. Then there are gorgeous palazzos that line the canal. There are about 170, most of which are the Venetian Gothic style that Venice is famous for. And of course, they are known for their beautiful colors. You can see the detail on these two, which are closer, and then on the far side, you can see how they line the canal. It also shows the expansiveness of the Grand Canal. It's really wide, around 350 feet, and there are only 4 bridges that cross it. And then there are some things that are unique to daily life in Venice, such as the docked boats and vaporettos, which are the traffic of the city on the water. So you can see some vaporettos here. There's boats docked all along here. One of the things I think is very interesting is the palazzos all face the water. So that is where the front door is. And the people who live in these palazzos can step directly from their front door into their boats. And you can see some poles here. That's where they tie the boats, on this side too. I find that fascinating. Thank you for joining me on this tour today. Visit my website to see more art like this, and follow me on social media to see more art as I create it. It will be great to see you there. And until next time, ciao.